Hey Shields people, we're at our factory here and we just want to go over with you real quickly what to expect when you get your Shields product. So your parts may come by ground shipment, which will look like a box just like this, or they may come on a skid, and the process is going to be the same. So the first thing you need to do as soon as you get your box, within 7 days we ask that you open your box up at the top, take your part out and inspect it, make sure there was no damage done in shipping. And then secondly, the most important thing you've got right here is this packing list. And inside that packing list, you're gonna have two important things. The first is gonna be a care sheet. So this care sheet has a lot of really important information for you. Also, you're gonna have your invoice that's gonna have all the information about what is inside your box. So once you guys get it out of your box and you're ready to install your part, we want you to take a look at this QR code. Scan this QR code, it's gonna take you to a website that's gonna have all the information that you need, from installation videos for skid steers, excavators, your different thicknesses. It's gonna have a guide on adhesion. So if you have to glue in your part, there's gonna be a PDF that you can link and it's gonna send you right to where you can buy all the adhesive, the primer that you need to get your part done. We highly recommend that you follow our guidelines on these. So when you're installing your part and it's a bolt-in or you're using some hardware, don't over tighten your bolts. This is crucial. Don't over tighten your bolts, it adds more stress to the part. Also, never use Loctite. Never ever use Loctite. So we'll talk about our coating here in a second, but where we've milled out parts for your hardware to fit, there's no coating, and Loctite will attack our polycarbonate and it will weaken it. So never use Loctite. Okay, behind me here is our coating room. So here's where we protect all of our polycarbonate. Our Supercoat is a silicone-based hard coating and it's phenomenal. You can use your windshield wipers, but it needs some care. So before you go and just decide to throw any cleaner on your polycarbonate, on your care sheet and on our website, there's a list of soaps and detergents, organic solvents and alcohols that are approved to be safe to use on our polycarbonate. So make sure you check that out before you clean your window. Once you've gotten your part out of its package, and if you need to return your parts or there's damage, just give us a call, or if you have concerns, give us a call. We'll talk you through that process and we'll get you taken care of. So that's everything that we wanted to share with you guys about receiving our packages, our care sheet, and our installation website. We do hope that this helps you guys and makes your installation and your care of your Shields product very smooth.